I know it can be quite difficult, dear Sagittarius, and I also know that it works, and that is having new conversations with yourself every single day, and the willingness to be okay with letting go of old conversations that you've had with yourself. These old conversations have been a friend to you. These old conversations have been there for you when nobody else has been there or nothing else has been there. These old conversations that are connected to certain old habits have been your companion in your life for some time. And so now you're transitioning from old habits to new habits, old conversations to new conversations. And in that transition space or phase, what the ego looks for mostly is familiarity, because that's how the ego thrives. It doesn't understand unfamiliarity, and there's a lot of fear around it because it doesn't understand it, and the ego won't trust what it doesn't understand. That's normal. There's nothing wrong with that. The ego is doing its job. Your job here is to allow the ego the space it requires to have its moment. So there's a part of you that's terrified to move forward and step away from these old habits, because that part of you is convinced that these old habits have worked for you and they've been there for you when nothing and no one else has. So it's like you're saying to a best friend that's been there for you the whole time, I don't want you here anymore, I don't need you anymore. That's kind of what it feels like for these old habits, or for this part of you that is connected to these old habits. So you have to find a way to communicate openly, lovingly, and clearly to this part of you that is connected to the familiarity, and let it know this is where having a new conversation is required. And it may be required daily for the next 2 months, I don't know, as you're forming new habits. For some reason it feels like it's going to be about 2 months, but as you're forming these new habits, you have to then at the same time continue to have kind conversations with the part of you that is terrified to move into unfamiliarity, because it doesn't understand it, so it won't trust it. And it's about letting that part of you know, I trust, I'm okay, and I'm going to show you the way. This is a conversation that will need to be had continuously for the next 2 or so months as you transition from old habits to new habits, and then that shift that you're looking to create from by creating these new habits then takes place at roughly around 2 months.